All right, Monday warm-up. We are going to do 3 rounds, 30 seconds of each movement. We have 4 different movements. We have Samson lunges, we have hollow holds, we have inchworm to push-ups, and we have air squats, all right? So 30 seconds of each one, 3 times through. Our movements look like this. Samson lunges, of course. We're going to take a nice big step out, dropping that back knee to the floor, and then reaching those hands up towards the sky as we do. Pressing the hips forward, reaching the hands up. Alternate legs back and forth for 30 seconds. Then we're going to drop it down to the floor for some hollow holds. So here we start with the legs up. We're going to push that low back into the floor, lower the legs, and raise the arms. We're going to try and hold that for 30 seconds. Bend your knees a little bit if you have to, but try to keep them straight if you can. Then we're going to go inchworm to push-up. We're standing top to top, standing tall. We touch our toes, we walk it out. We do our very best impersonation of a push-up. Bring it back, touch the toes, stand up, and repeat. And then air squats. Some of the ones we're doing in the workout today. Let's keep those hands out in front. Or balance, press the knees out, bring parallel at the bottom. Then we have a little mobility piece here. We're going to do a chest stretch first, 30 seconds on each side. For this one, the side that we are pushing, I'll do my left side first. My hands goes right by my shoulder, left arm extended. We're just going to kind of roll over gently onto the left side. So I'm stretching my left chest up here. And then 30 seconds on that side, followed by 30 seconds on the other. Then we'll do a tabletop stretch. This is good for opening up the thoracic spine. Fingers are pointing back behind us. Gonna raise those, or squeeze those shoulders back, I should say. Raise the hips up and push. Nice, easy stretch right here. Push those hips up as high as you can. Let the head rest back. Little tabletop stretch. Helps kind of warm up the shoulders, stretch everything out. All right, that's it. Warm up. Have a good workout.